For as long as we have been human, we have looked up, our eyes drawn to the endless tapestry above us. The night sky has always been a source of fascination, mystery, and inspiration. Our ancestors gathered under the night sky, seeing not just lights, but a cosmic map and calendar. They recognized patterns in the stars, using them to mark the passage of time and the changing of seasons. The stars' patterns signaled when to hunt, gather, or move, vital knowledge for survival. These celestial cues guided migrations, harvests, and celebrations, weaving the sky into the fabric of daily life. This was our first science, born from necessity and curiosity. By observing the heavens, we began to ask questions and seek answers, laying the groundwork for all future discovery. The sky inspired myths and stories, projecting heroes and gods onto the constellations. Around fires, tales were spun that connected people to the cosmos and to each other. The sun and moon became symbols of life, cycles, and mystery. Their movements shaped rituals, inspired awe, and reminded us of our place in the universe. These myths were humanity's first attempts to explain the universe. Through stories, we made sense of the unknown, passing wisdom from one generation to the next. Stargazing was our awakening, a realization of a larger, ordered reality beyond our immediate world. It sparked a sense of wonder and a longing to explore what lay beyond the horizon. We learned to read the sky's language, gaining the power to plan, navigate, and build societies. The stars became our guides, helping us cross oceans and deserts, shaping the course of civilizations. This connection to the cosmos shaped our earliest cultures. Temples and monuments were built in alignment with the heavens, reflecting our reverence for the sky. The act of looking up set us on a path of discovery. Each generation, inspired by the stars, reached further, asking new questions and seeking new answers. It gave us a sense of belonging to something vast and enduring. The universe became a shared story, connecting us across time and space. Our journey began with wonder and a desire to understand. That spark of curiosity continues to drive us, generation after generation. The simple act of stargazing would eventually lead us to walk on other worlds. Our cosmic awakening is ongoing, as we continue to reach for the stars and seek our place among them. As societies grew, so did our relationship with the sky. Ancient civilizations like the Babylonians, Egyptians, Chinese, and Maya became expert sky watchers. They created star charts, tracked planets, and built precise calendars for agriculture and rituals. The Egyptians timed the Nile's flooding to the rising of Sirius. The Babylonians predicted eclipses. These skills gave rulers and priests immense power. Across the world, people built monuments aligned with celestial events. Stonehenge, the pyramids, Maya observatories. These structures were more than calendars. They were sacred spaces connecting earth and sky. Building them required generations of observation and shared purpose. They stand as testaments to our ancestors' ingenuity and their need to find order in the cosmos. Humanity anchored its world to the stars, building blueprints of the heavens on earth. For thousands of years, it seemed obvious. The earth was the center of everything, the unmoving heart of the cosmos. People gazed up at the stars and saw them circling above, reinforcing the belief that our world was the axis around which all else revolved. The Ptolemaic model, named after the ancient astronomer Ptolemy, placed us at the heart of a universe made of nested, crystalline spheres, each carrying planets and stars in perfect, eternal motion. This idea was deeply comforting, woven into the fabric of philosophy, religion, and daily life. It gave humanity a sense of importance and purpose, suggesting a universe designed just for us. But as observations improved and astronomers peered more closely at the heavens, the geocentric model became increasingly unwieldy, requiring endless tweaks and complex explanations to fit new data. Enter Nicholas Copernicus, a quiet revolutionary, who proposed a radical idea. The sun, not the earth, was at the center of it all. This was a bold challenge to centuries of tradition. The heliocentric model demoted Earth to just another planet, orbiting a star among many others. Suddenly, our world was no longer unique or central. At first, few accepted it. This new vision challenged both common sense and the teachings of Scripture. Many scholars and religious leaders resisted, clinging to the old worldview. But the seed of revolution was planted, quietly taking root in the minds of those willing to question and explore. This shift was more than astronomical. It was a profound change in perspective, forcing humanity to reconsider its place in the grand scheme of things. We were no longer the universe's focal point, but wanderers in a vast, mysterious cosmos, adrift on a small planet among countless others. The Copernican Revolution began a re-evaluation of our place in the universe, inspiring generations of scientists to look deeper and question more. It set the stage for new discoveries and a new humility, reminding us that knowledge is always evolving. The universe was no longer tidy and human-focused, but vast, dynamic, and filled with wonders we had only begun to imagine. Our understanding of the cosmos would never be the same. The boundaries of our knowledge expanded, and so did our sense of awe. The journey from center to periphery changed everything, opening our minds to new possibilities and deeper mysteries. We began to see ourselves as part of a much larger story, one that continues to unfold every time we look up at the stars. For centuries, the debate over Earth's place in the cosmos lingered, with old beliefs holding strong. But then, a revolutionary invention changed everything: the telescope, a simple tube of glass and metal that would forever alter our understanding of the universe. Galileo Galilei, a curious and determined scientist, built his own telescope and pointed it skyward for the very first time, eager to see what secrets the heavens might reveal. Through his lens, he saw the moon's rugged, cratered surface, the tiny moons dancing around Jupiter, and the shifting phases of Venus, clear evidence that not everything in the sky orbited Earth as once believed. These astonishing discoveries shattered the old model of the universe, challenging centuries of tradition and dogma. The telescope revealed a universe far bigger, more mysterious, and more complex than anyone had ever imagined, opening our eyes to the vastness of space. Galileo's careful observations proved that planets, including Earth, orbited the Sun, not the other way around, turning the old geocentric view upside down. The Milky Way, once thought to be a cloudy band, was revealed as a collection of countless distant stars, each a sun in its own right. The telescope extended our senses beyond what was possible before, letting us peer deeper into the universe and see it as it truly is, full of wonders and mysteries. It was a revolution in perception and understanding, inspiring awe and curiosity in all who gazed through its lens. The cosmos was no longer a fixed, perfect sphere, but a vast dynamic expanse, teeming with movement and change. The ancient model of the universe crumbled before our eyes, replaced by a new vision of endless possibility. The universe became a place of endless discovery, where every observation led to new questions and deeper mysteries. The telescope opened a new era of exploration, inspiring generations of astronomers and dreamers to look up and wonder. Our view of the cosmos was forever transformed, and humanity's journey to understand the universe had only just begun. Galileo showed us the solar system, but Isaac Newton explained its workings. Newton's law of universal gravitation unified the heavens and Earth under one set of rules. His simple equation explained everything from falling apples to planetary orbits. For centuries, Newton's universe was a grand, predictable machine, but in the 20th century, Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding with general relativity. Gravity, Einstein said, is the warping of space-time by mass and energy. Massive objects curve space, and planets follow those curves. Einstein's theory predicted black holes, the bending of starlight, and the expanding universe. These ideas were confirmed by observation, reshaping our view of reality. Modern cosmology is built on these foundations. The universe is stranger and more wondrous than Newton ever imagined. Our understanding continues to evolve with each new discovery. The quest to understand the cosmos drives us forward. The 20th century brought not just new theories but new technologies. The space age let us escape Earth's atmosphere and see the universe with new eyes. The Hubble Space Telescope revealed breathtaking images and deepened our understanding. We've sent probes to every planet, and rovers explore Mars for signs of life. The Voyager probes journey beyond our solar system, carrying messages from Earth. Each mission extends our senses to distant worlds. We now study the universe across the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Telescopes like James Webb peer into the earliest moments after the Big Bang. We are living in a golden age of discovery. The data pouring in is answering age-old questions and raising new ones. Our technological leap has expanded our knowledge exponentially. The universe is more dynamic and wondrous than we ever imagined. The story of astronomy is the story of us, our quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Each discovery has brought new perspective and humility. We once thought we were the center. Now we know we orbit an ordinary star in a vast galaxy. Our Milky Way is just one among billions, each a cosmic island. All of human history has unfolded on a pale blue dot, adrift in a cosmic ocean. This perspective connects us to something immense and ancient. The elements in our bodies were forged in stars. We are made of stardust. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. Astronomy gives us context, linking us to our past and future. It teaches us that the universe is governed by laws we can understand. By looking up, we learn not just about the cosmos, but about ourselves. We discover our place in the grand, unfolding story of the universe.